Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a chatty get ready with me to show you how I did this tutorial. It's like a spring vibe. It's like a halo eye, a gold liquid liner on top of the black liquid liner, so it's kind of a look. And let me know what other looks you want to see as well. I've been a bit MIA, but I'm back now and I'm better. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Hi guys, so today I'm going to bring you a spring look. So I've done one of my eyes already and I'm going to show you how I did it on my other eye, and then we're going to get on with the rest of our face as well. So yeah, let's just get into the other side. I think I'm going to do this a bit chit chatty because why not have a little chat, a little chit chat or whatever. Yes, let's get into it. So I'm starting with this fuchsia purplish pink right here. This is my Morphe 35B palette, by the way. I really recommend it if you're trying to get into makeup more, like trying to do different looks and stuff, because it kind of really pushes you, because you really don't have any browns or safe colors to go from. So you can make loads of different kinds of looks, like blues, purples, there's reds, oranges, pinks, lilacs. So I really recommend this palette. I'll link it below. So I'm going to go into that fuchsia and then I'm just gonna go on the two corners of my eye. Let me zoom you in right quick. I'm gonna do this with a fluffy brush. So I'm just mapping out my halo eye like this. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a min, like just a chit chat makeup tutorial. I was a bit over it for a minute, do you know what I mean? Like I was really over it, so I just needed to take a step back, recoup, and then come back. Oh yeah, and then since I've been gone from doing makeup, I started my own business. Now I'm going into the pink, and then I'm just going over that fuchsia a little bit. Yeah, so in my Q&A with Grandy, I think it was like November time, December maybe, I said my goal for 2018 was to start my own business. But I didn't know what, like I didn't know what I wanted to start. Like I knew I wanted it to be like retail or like selling something or whatever, but I didn't know what. And I literally was like, and it's called shopglassy.com, so you guys check it out, I'll leave it in the description box. But I didn't know how I wanted to go about it or whatever. But anyway, yeah, so I just stumbled upon it because I was looking for these specific types of glasses that I've been seeing a lot, like on celebs and stuff, like, you know, the thin ones but not too thin. And I couldn't find them in the UK, and I was like, how come I can't find these glasses, please? I looked all over, I looked on Amazon, eBay, but a lot of them were like in America and like they needed like £50,000 shipping. So I was just like, you know what, I'm finna do, like I'm gonna start selling them. And then I realized that actually I can sell quite a few pairs, and then it just kind of escalated, and then here we are. And I'm doing it with my sister as well, so she's kind of been doing the creative side and I've been doing the admin side and, like, you know, the logistics side. But it's been so much fun. And if you guys are scared to start a business or something, like start it with someone that you're close to. It's just literally been so much fun. Oh, ignore this, we're gonna clean that up later. But yeah, I've been really enjoying it, and you guys need to check it out because I'm really proud of the website. Like I made the website by myself, and the glasses are amazing. So I'm going to show you, I've already shown you in the beginning. Super stoked about it, and you guys please support. You guys' support has been amazing already. Like I did not expect so many orders. I'm going to go into this pink just with my finger in the middle. Yeah, I didn't expect so many orders so quickly. I literally, like, I didn't really have expectations. Like I knew it would do well like in the summer, but I feel like it's not even summer properly yet, and you guys have already been going in with the orders, and I'm so grateful. Like I can't tell you how grateful I am. It's literally just made my whole life. I can't believe it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, and I'll even give you a cheeky 10% discount because you're my subscribers. Like I'm gonna leave the discount code in the description box because you guys are loyal and you deserve it. Like you deserve a discount. But yeah, what else has been going on? I've just been trying to live my best life, to be honest with you, and it's great times. And then I'm taking my liquid liner, lining my eyelid. Quite a thick wing actually. But yeah, I really encourage you guys, if you've ever thought of starting your own business or anything, like, I really encourage you to do it, because I feel like, what's the worst that can happen? Like, as long as it's like a calculated risk and you're not risking like your whole flipping mortgage, your edges. Realistically, the worst that can happen is what, you don't make a profit or you lose a bit of money. But then like, on to the next one, because a lot of these big business people, you don't know that they start, like, they've probably started like 20 businesses before the one, you know, before their actual business exploded, like, and was massive. So I really recommend it, and I'm really passionate about this. Like, if you guys need any help or like advice, like, DM me. Like, I'm not an expert obviously, but like, I really highly recommend it, because I feel like life is too amazing for you to be spending it like just working for someone else, making someone else's life amazing, while you're like killing yourself 9 to whatever time, putting in so much work for people that don't always even appreciate you. So I just feel like, girl, get you your own thing and just do it, man. Smash it. Like, you can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. I believe in you. That's what I have to say on that. I said what I said, and I'll say it again. Another thing is, like, I really recommend multiple streams of income. Like, I'm not saying quit your job or anything, but it's just always good to have like a secondary means of income, because that's how you accumulate. I'm just gluing my my lash. That's how you accumulate wealth, by having multiple streams of income. Like, unless you're like have the money to invest in a massive business, it's always nice to have, like, you know, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit maybe on your full-time job, a little bit on your side hustle, second side hustle, fifth side hustle. Like, it's always, you know, good to have that. And then that's how you stack them coins, like, and then it just becomes easier. Like, every month your paycheck is looking like, whoa, okay, looking like a money bag. So yeah, anyway, that's my little ramble. I'm gonna stick this on my eyelid, and then I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. So I'm using my Benefit Professional primer to prime my face, as always, to even out my skin and just make it like smooth and last all day. So good, hun. Today I'm gonna use my Revolution foundation stick all over my face, because my Huda Beauty's running out, sis. And okay, just spreading that with my flat foundation brush. Cute. Lovely. Let's move on to the highlight and the contour. I'm using my Revolution concealers to highlight under my eyes. Still my absolute fave, along with some MAC Studio Finish, because I like to layer up, you know what I'm saying. So I'm just using this concealer as a base concealer, and then I'm going to go over it with my Revolution, because when I want to be beat, I want to be beat. I'm going to buy some more, because they're my life. Bake with my blooming well Laura Mercier, aren't I? Like, what else am I going to use? This powder is sensational. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I know it's £30, that's why I'm sorry. But you just gotta do the investment, to be honest. Even me, it's always paying to give £30 of hard-earned money on what? On some white powder. But once you put it on, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, okay? And now Fenty Beauty contour stick. Fenty Beauty. She's another woman that can take all my money, to be honest. It is what it is. Okay, let's do the lips then. Sorry, but I'm using black lip liner like them aunties. I ran out. Primark liquid lipstick. If anyone wants to suggest me some nude lips, yeah, so I can switch it up. A nice nude lipstick. Pinkish nude, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to use some highlight. Revolution Baked Bronzer, of course. I look like a light bulb. I'm going to go in with this pink. Put it in my tear duct. Pink blush.